Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about strokes in drawing. Now, let's get started. First, we are going to start with directed sleeping line. First, draw towards right side. It is important to maintain a light touch with your pencil while drawing. Now, towards left side. Hold the pencil lightly between your fingers rather than gripping it tightly. Third, practice on both sides. Practicing stroke for about 20 to 30 minutes daily is a good start point for beginners. Next, we are going to draw with directed standing line. The same as we see before, this time upward, downward and in both directions. By focusing on these techniques, you will gain more control and confidence in your strokes. The same step is followed in slanting line also. And that's it for now. Keep practicing more and more. I hope this video helps you to start your drawing journey. Happy drawing! See you on next video. Until then, it's bye from NK's Art World.